Good morning, guys. Coming at you guys with another video over here. We're doing something a bit more different today. We're always doing something different every video, obviously. But today we should be going up to the ACH mountains and filming one of our good friends. His name is Lawrence. He owns a Red S2000. I believe it's a 2005 or 2006. I just know it's an AP2. Really nice spec. But yeah, we plan on going to the ACH mountains today. And obviously we're gonna get some drone clips, we're gonna have some talking footage, some driving footage, like telling us what the drive is like, and scenic shots like always. But if you guys don't follow us on our socials yet, I would definitely recommend following our socials. You can keep up with updates such as our next meet. Like how I told you guys last video, we did host our first ever meet. We filled up our warehouse, we had music going, we had a projector, we had races, like F1 races, basketball games going on, people up here playing pool, ping pong, and then obviously in our final lounge room we have the racing simulators. Apart from that, next time we're gonna be having a tournament here. The winner takes home. The winner takes home. No, the winner wins. Yeah, or the winner gets a free full detail. If you guys want to come to our next meet, I would definitely follow our socials. I'll leave the link in the description, and I'll try to put it up here somewhere. But yeah, follow us at Tummala Motors. But anyways, Manny's gonna be pulling up shortly here. You guys haven't met Manny. I know you guys haven't actually. He'll be introducing this video. He's not much of a talker, so don't expect much from him. Yeah, but that's our filmer. You guys don't know. Yeah, so like I said, Manny's gonna come meet us here at the warehouse. We're gonna take the Model S out. We need to supercharge it. It's very low on battery. And we're gonna get some food and work on some footage that we got yesterday up in the canyons. Yeah, you stay tuned for that video as well. This is just a vlog, you know. We got other videos coming out on YouTube. We have another series coming up. I think we're gonna be planning to get videos out every Friday for that series. Look at the Lotus. But anyways, yeah, every Friday it's gonna be called Cheeky's Garage. So Cheeky's, like Cheeks, my boy Cheeks. You guys remember Cheeks, Emmanuel? It's gonna be his series right there. We're reviewing friends' cars and such, like things of that sort. Yesterday we did our first ever car review. It went really well. We got started on the wash. Here she is. Look at, just foamed her up. I kind of got started before filming, but my boy Cheeks just pulled up over here. Flip it around. How's your back?
It's chill.
It's chill.
It's chill.
How was the chiropractor?
They cracked.
Did you get cracked again or no?
Yeah, they cracked my back.
Fire. These Cheeks is this is Cheeky's STI right here.
Video coming on it soon.
Yeah, video soon on this. But anyways, our friend Lawrence will be pulling up here shortly, like I told you guys. We got the Miata all washed up. Quick wash, 10-minute wash. Fire. Looking good again. Now we gotta take care of the Model S. Quick wash on that one as well. That's what takes us up and down the canyon. Check out how filthy she is. I don't know if you can see in this lighting, but oh man, she's really filthy. She needs a wash. Boom. We got our filmer here. Manny just pulled up. This is our drone filmer right here. We just finished up the wash for the Model S. Got her looking really good. Really good. Paint's popping. Didn't really do much either. Just foamed her down. Did a little contact wash, just a quick one. I'm here with my boy Cheeks. We're getting ready to set up our E30 here. We got our boy Marky. He's gonna help us shoot a creative here. If you guys don't know what a creative is, it's an ad.
Just another word for an ad.
Just makes it sound more professional or whatever. Anyways, we're gonna get set up here real quick. About to go shoot an ad. We got the Lotus right here. And we got more stuff cooking up for later in the evening today. All the cars are clean. Every single car is clean in here right now. The Lotus, the Model S, the Miata, and the E36. E30 over here, and then the S2K pulling up soon. It's going to be a productive day today. Lots of content coming for you guys. We have the S2000 pulling up. Let me show you guys what's up. There it goes. It's 2K. This is the NFR 2K right here. If you guys don't know, this is my boy Litrins. This is Manny right here, our drone filmer, and we got our other boy Marky.
Should I go out to watch?
Yeah, pull it out. We're about to wash. Oh, let him back out. Anyways, we're gonna get this washed up right now. We're gonna head up. I know I've been saying ACH, but we'll see where we go. I'm not too sure. Too fresh, too clean, or what? How's it going, compa? Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, chat? Look, we're over here being delinquents.
No, we can't do 40, Angel.
But
You about to hit big today, bro, or what?
40 to 240.
I owe Angel $40, so what I'm gonna do? Hey, what? If it hits, can I give you the 200? I keep the 40.
No.
What the
Because I'm
fuck?
risking my money. But if it doesn't hit, are you going to give me 20 only?
Yep.
Alright, good.
Hey, shook on it's on camera.
Go.
You were driving a what? A what Accord? What year?
The 13 Accord, bro.
Big upgrade. Congrats to my boy Jonathan again over here. Fire. How'd you guys enjoy the wash?
Amazing.
What do you guys think of the spot?
Spot free water, McGuire's products. What more can you say? Beautiful. Only the best.
About to go grab some food here with the homies soon. And then it's time to film. We got the conference room filled up, everyone locked in here.
That's perfect.
This is what I like to see right here, people working when I walk in.
Guys, we got the editing.
We're editing. Look
Long
at
form
this.
comments.
We don't play around here at Tummala Motors. We get stuff done here.
Only Omar plays around.
No, I don't. I get a lot of stuff done here, guys. These guys, I do. Oh. You know what? I was gonna say some wild. I'm trying to keep it PG-13 out here, bro. I'm giving you guys a little quick view from the top. Giveaway car, the 36 Miata Plaid S Type R. X6M, S2K, Lotus Mira. Beast ass food, Jerry down there. Always getting shit done. We got the S2K in front of us. These guys were lazy to clean the car up themselves, so I had to do it and get it looking right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in front of you, right?
I'm just adjusting the camera.
What's up, guys? Fresh day today. We had some complications yesterday, but we're back at it. We're always up out here. We're gonna go pick up a new drone. We're gonna get this dude's drone fixed. Ain't nothing stopping us out here. We're going to the drone shop. Why are we going to the drone shop?
Our original drone took a hit.
It took not just any hit. It took like a.
It took a hit from an SUV.
Big ass SUV.
Flying.
He was going at least 50 miles per hour. And our drone ate that shit. But it ate it, but it's down
It
for
took
now.
it like a tank, bro.
We're on the way to go pick up another one, a backup drone. We're gonna get
The Air
this food's
3S.
drone fixed too. He owns the drone that got smacked. And we'll be
Point the camera at him like his drone got smashed.
and we'll be up
It
here.
got smoked.
We're not gonna let little things like this
Set us back.
from filming. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications to keep up with our future posts. And thanks for watching the video.